guys, so it's Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite hamstring and glute circuits. So this is my go-to circuit. I incorporate it into a leg day. It's awesome. My favorite thing about these exercises are they tone, sculpt, strengthen the glutes, and really tone up the hamstrings without bulking the quads, without bulking the legs. I'm a dancer. I don't want that. I want to keep my legs lean, but I also do want to have a butt. So these are good exercises, especially to target that very annoying spot at the top of the hamstring and bottom of the butt. You know, us girls, our bodies like to hold on to some fat right there. So it's very good to target that annoying little spot. You can incorporate this into a leg day. You can do it alone just as a simple circuit, whatever works for you. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on in. First exercise, RDLs. Have your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart and have your body fully parallel. The most important thing here is to focus on the glutes and really put all the weight into your heels to engage the backs of your legs rather than your quads. It's all about focusing on the butt, bringing your body up. So really squeeze your butt together. I know it feels kind of funny, but that is what really strengthens and tones the hamstrings and glutes. Weight in your heels and focus on squeezing the butt. Exercise 2, Bosu ball hip bridges. So again, weight in your heel, and the goal here is to drive your hips as high as possible by really squeezing the glute. Control the lower down, tap your butt on the ground on the bottom, and then lift up as fast as possible. Now we're going to add a hop. These are great. Simply just focus on driving the hips up as much as possible that you end up actually jumping. Make sure to control the landing down, and again, really focus on keeping the weight in your heels and really squeezing the glute. Last exercise, Bosu ball clams. You're going to bend your legs in a 90-degree angle, keep your knees, hips, and shoulders in line, and your heels flexed and glued together. The goal is to squeeze your butt together so much that you open your hip up. Also make sure to keep the abdominals fully engaged so you also work the core. And yeah guys, so those were the exercises. I hope that you like them. I hope that you try them. I promise you will be feeling them the next day. And yeah, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.